Homework question 11.4 asks us how many sigma and pi bonds are in this molecule right here. So we know that a sigma bond is a single bond. And to answer this question, we know that we just have to count up every single bond in this molecule. There's a trick to it though, and that's that in organic structures, we tend not to draw hydrogens that are bound to carbons. We leave them implied. The bond between a carbon and a hydrogen still counts as a sigma bond, and so we need to draw them in here in order to count them all. So we know that carbon needs 4 bonds to have a full octet. For instance, this carbon here is only bound to one other carbon, and so to satisfy its need for a full octet, we will add 3 hydrogens to it. This carbon is bound to one carbon on the left and one carbon on the right, and so it only needs 2 to get its full octet. This, very similarly to the one up there, this carbon only needs 3 hydrogens, and this carbon only needs 2. Every other carbon in this ring has 4 bonds. They're all satisfied. So now that we've drawn in the hydrogens, we can go through and count how many single bonds we have. And that would be 25 sigma bonds. Moving on to pi bonds, which can refer to double or triple bonds. Luckily for us, those are already drawn into organic structures, so we can just go ahead and count every double bond. So that's 3 pi bonds in this molecule.